Hi, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to get the best applications for sports. Are you tired of looking for your special games, events, pay-per-views, or events that are happening on TVs and cable TV stations, but you cannot just find it, and it's very hard to find. And if you do find it, it's buffering or giving you issues. Today on the Firestick, I'm going to show you how to get that. Not only how to get the sports, but how to get access to my store, which gives you over 60 applications from premium content. TV shows, movies as well, and pay-per-views, live TV, and sports. Today we're going to focus on the sports section. I'll show you how to access it and how to get all the sports for free. So I'm here on my Fire Stick. The first thing that you want to do on your Fire Stick to be able to load these sport applications is simply go to the gear icon right there. And once you're there, you're going to click on My Fire TV or My Device. You can see I have developer options on your Fire Stick at home. You may not be able to see developer options. They might not be showing up, which is okay. You want to click on About if that's the case. And you see my device name is right here. All you have to do is click on the device name about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In my case, it's Fire TV. You might say Fire TV Max, 4K, whatever it says. Click on the name 8 times, and it'll tell you now you are a developer. But for me, it says you're already a developer. Okay, once you do that, you simply want to press back, and you see that you have developer options now. Press one more time back, and one more time back, and one more time back to go to the main menu. Now, from this menu, you want to go to Find and go to Search. Click into the search box, and you can see that I have access to the Alexa commands. I can also type it in. You want to search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. So, as you can see, orange, white icon comes up. You want to click on that icon. What's going to happen now is this will come up. You want to press the download button. It's going to queue that, and it's going to download it. Now, once Downloader installs, we don't want to open it up yet. So let's not open up the Downloader application. Let it install and press the home button. There's a couple of things we need to quickly do to get this going. I'm going to go to gear icon here, and we're going to go to My Fire TV, My Device. And once there, you see that we have developer options. I'm going to click inside developer options and click on Install Unknown Apps and simply switch the downloader to the on position. Okay. Now, once you do that, hit back and hit back and hit back and hit back once again. You'll get to this main menu. Now, from this menu, what you want to do, you want to go to Find and you want to click into Search. Now, you want to search for an application. This one, we'll type it in. IP Vanish. Okay, just like that. Let's type that in. Okay, press the search button to search for IP Vanish. You'll see a black, gray, green logo like that. Click on that logo. What's going to happen, this is going to come up, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading and installing the IP Vanish VPN. Here we are, IP Vanish. Okay, now we're going to open it up, and I'm going to log into mine, but you're going to log in with your own username and password. I'll show you how to obtain it and how to get set up and what an IP Vanish VPN is going to do. Once you download it and install it, you're going to open it up. It's going to ask you to log in. Now, you can get your own username and password by scanning this barcode here on the screen or going to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. Now, what a VPN is going to do is going to give you access to unlimited links, unlimited sports pay-per-views. What's happening? Internet service providers are blocking these links. So therefore, when you try to watch the sports or pay-per-view event or a movie or TV show, the link doesn't come up. Or sometimes they're blocking now access to the unlinked store. So when you want to get to the unlinked store and you want to download these sports applications or whatever you're downloading, you're being totally blocked and you cannot do it. So a VPN is going to unlock all that access. It's going to keep you safe, protect anonymous. I'm using one account on 10 Fire Sticks at home. Works on Android boxes, iPhones, tablets, MacBooks, Intel, Pentiums, AMDs, Microsoft Windows. It's compatible across all platforms, okay? You don't need to get into that technological genre, but this will work on Fire Sticks, Android boxes, all across the board, even your Android phone or your iPhone. One account you can use on unlimited devices. And with this, you're going to get so much more links, so much more content that your internet services provider is blocking. So you can pause the video to take care of that. You can scan this barcode, go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. Now, once you land on that landing page through these links here, okay, you're going to get 82% off. Full transparency. There's a small cost associated with this. It's $2 and change. I'll tell you right off the bat, it's $2 and change. It's the best deal for a VPN you can get with the highest speeds that you're going to get. I've tested a few, and this works the best for sports, pay-per-views, special events, and all these other applications. Just upgraded their servers, and speeds are very, very good. And I negotiated this deal for you guys, for my viewers, because, you know, if someone has to pay $10 or $8 or even $5 for a VPN, it makes no more sense to really, you know, get a VPN. You might as well at that point pay more money and subscribe to a paid service. But at $2 a month, it's dirt cheap, and it's going to give you so much more access and so much content. By using a VPN, it's going to give you all the updates, and being able to go inside of my unlinked store, get all the updates and get all the apps. So scan this, like I said, you'll be on a landing page. On that landing page, you'll sign up for an account with your email address. You'll create your own secure password and hit sign up on their page. You can sign up from your phone or your computer, whatever is more better for you. And once you sign up and choose your package, you'll get a notification email from them. You'll verify your email account, and then you'll log in with your email. You put it in here with your Firestick remote. You'll put in your password, and then you'll press the login button. I'm going to log into mine, and then I'll show you the next step, how I'm going to set this up for all my apps to get all that content, okay? So once you log in with your own account, all you have to do is click the gear icon right there. And from here, say connect on Android startup, and just flick that to the on position. Once you're done that, hit back, go to the location right there, and you want to press the location button. And from here, you're going to go to countries. You're going to scroll all the way to United States. So let's do that. Let's scroll to United States. And once you're in United States, you want to press on the United States. You want to say favorite United States. Once it puts a little yellow star on it, click on it again. And you want to say connect to United States, and you want to click on that. Now what's going to happen, this is going to come up. You want to press the OK button when that comes up. Now what's going to happen is the screen is going to flicker. Okay, and you're going to be fully protected and fully anonymous and fully safe. So that's available from these links right here. If you haven't got set up, get protected, get safe, and get full access to updates. Add access to the unlinked store. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to go inside of the unlinked store. Unfortunately, it's being blocked by internet service providers. Okay. Once you do that step, simply press home, and we can proceed to the next step. Now, the next step is quite simple. All we have to do is open up the downloader application now, and you'll see something like this. You want to press the OK button. I want to click one up and click inside of this box, and we want to put in the following link, unlinked. .link, exactly like I'm putting it on my screen right here, okay? And once you're done putting that link, unlinked.link, simply press that go button. What's going to happen now, it's going to say connecting, and you'll notice that I'm able to move my cursor up and down, left to right. I can move my cursor with ease. I'm going to scroll down and say download APK Android. I'm going to click on that. And what's going to happen here, it's going to come up, and it's going to ask me to download the unlinked application. With the VPN on, the speeds are still incredible. And I can press the install button. Now, very important, don't press the open button. Simply, we're just going to press that done button right there. Let's press the done button. That's all you have to do. Once you press the done button, press the delete button, and press the delete button to delete the installation files, okay? Now, once you do that, you press the home button, okay? Now, go into settings, okay? Go to My Fire TV, My Device. Developer options, like we've enabled in the first step. Install unknown apps, and make sure you flick the unlink to the on position. Once you do that, click 5 times back. 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, once you do that, you can start up the unlinked application by clicking on it. The screen will come up. Okay? Click the new library, and this will blink. Click inside of that and put in the following code, lowercase Firestick. That's all you have to put in, just lowercase Firestick. Just like that. Once you put in lowercase Firestick, press the next button, and a screen will pop up. It's blurred out on my screen, but on your screen, it will be available. I update this list every single month to give you guys the best applications for this month for streaming. That's why I release all these videos. People say, New Tech, why are you releasing another video? You just released one last month. Well, things have changed. And this will give you the comprehensive list of what's changed and what exactly you should be watching and doing. You'll probably have an enter button available. Please don't press the enter button. Once you take a picture of the screen with your phone, just simply press the back arrow, okay? And from here, press the back arrow again. That will throw you out of the unlinked application. I'm going to start it back up by clicking on the unlinked application. Now you're going to be presented with new tech apps and a folder. Click on that. And it's going to open up a section. When you scroll one down, you'll see numbers next to the sections. Right now, I got several sections in here. And the first section you're going to see, and below there's other sections. So when you scroll up and down, you'll see best section for movies and TV shows, best live TV section, best section for sports and pay-per-views. So see right below, it says best sports apps. So when you scroll down in that category, you'll be able to get all those apps. If you want the comprehensive list, you can also scan this barcode here in my store. That will give you a comprehensive list of all the apps when you mouse over that. And you can scan this barcode here. Okay, so scrolling up and down, left to right, will give you all those comprehensive sections. Now, the best apps are in the best sports apps section right now, section number 10. They're all there. You scroll down to that section and you can get them one by one, and I'll give you full access to pay-per-view streaming and stuff. Some of them are like available there, and there's about 6 or 7 of them. I can't remember exactly, but I've chosen the best ones for you. Install 5 if you need to, try them out. Install them all if you need to. Some will get better links, some will get worse links. And then you can stream all that content. Also, you can scroll down to the best movie and TV show section. You'll get a lot of applications there. I don't want to mention or show any applications. As per YouTube policies, we're keeping this video super clean. So, you know, me showing you these applications might touch on some YouTube policies I'm not allowed to discuss or talk about in YouTube videos. And then once you're in that section and you want your specific app to install that, all you have to do is scroll over to the app. So you would scroll over the app that you want below, the best ones. You would just click on it for presentation purposes and press download. And I'll show you how easy and quick it would be to install the app. You simply just press the download. You press the install button and the app would flicker and it would be installed. If you want to get another app, you just click on the app, press the download. You'll notice the app will download, and once it's finished, you press install app and press the install button, and I've just installed 2 apps. Feel free to load many of these applications. Just make sure you have your VPN on like I did in the first step for them to work properly, okay? Now, once you're done, you can just press the home button and you can get out of the unlinked store, and you can come back in, and if you see those 2 apps have loaded for me, okay? Now, you can go back to unlinked at any time to get updates and things like that. And I'll show you for this entire process. My VPN was turned on. I was connected to the server 5 minutes, and I've installed these 2 apps in less than 5 minutes. I've been mostly talking and explaining things to you guys, but this could be done very well under 5 minutes to get you going and watch all the sports pay-per-views and all the events. So if you haven't done this in the first step, make sure you get connected with a VPN that's going to make sure those sports work well, the links work. It's going to make sure your live TV apps work well and all that stuff in conjunction with Unlinked. Going to give you updates and all that stuff. It's like a latte at Starbucks. It's not more than $2. Through this affiliate link here at 82% off, all you have to do is scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link here. Also in the pinned comment description, that's going to keep you covered, going to keep you protected, and you're going to have so much access to content and so much stuff, okay? So that's wraps up the VPN, the unlinked install, the downloader install, 3 little steps, very easy to do. As I said, you can go back and get more, and that's pretty much it. And I haven't put a PIN number on my unlinked store. I might put a 4-digit PIN number. Some people have been knocking off my apps, linking to my apps, not giving me any credits, copying some of the content in my YouTube videos, as you know, and, you know, just being slimy like that. So I haven't put a PIN code on my store, but maybe in the future, I'll put a PIN code in the store. But what I need your help, guys, just right below this video, if you could just drop a comment with like, what city and town you're from, what's your cat's name, maybe your favorite football team, what city or town you represent, where are you from, just anything, or simple hi. Drop a comment below, because if I do put a PIN number in the future, I'll reply right below this video in the comment section with the new PIN number if I do change the PIN number, okay? I haven't done it, but if I do, you'll be the first ones to hear it if you comment below. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for money. I'm not asking for donations. I'm asking for a simple comment, okay? Comment below. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Very important. It helps you guys to find me. So hit that bell icon on YouTube right now and subscribe and hit a like button. Very important. That's gonna, keep recommending my videos to you guys. And when I release something new or some new app, you'll be the first one to hear about it and first one to get it because you have those notifications on. Okay. Also follow me on X as well. I post stuff on X as it released as well. If you're an X user, that's available in the description at the end. You'll find that link there. And that pretty much wraps up my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me. You guys have been great. All the old viewers that keep coming back, all the new viewers that I'm getting. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. There's a lot of videos out there, even with AI, how to do this. Computers explaining things like that, but there's a lot of steps that people miss and a lot of things that people don't explain. That's why I'm explaining this to you in detail, face to face, to have that connection with you and show you how to really do this and how to really do this properly without some spam video, just talking about random stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Drop that comment, like I said, and thank you for the support. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.